Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install DaVinci Resolve 20 on your Windows 11 operating system. It's quite easy. Firstly, you need to open browser and in the search bar we're gonna type DaVinci Resolve. So here you can see that you can just type DaVinci Resolve and they'll give you the latest DaVinci Resolve, which is DaVinci Resolve 20. So you need to make sure that the website should be from Blackmagic Design because this is the official site from them. So let's click on DaVinci Resolve. Now here you just need to scroll a bit until you see these options. Since we want to download it for free, we'll just click on free download now. Here you have two options. This one is free and this one is paid. So we want to download it for free, we'll select this one. And if you're using Mac, click on this option. If you're using Linux, click on this one. And if you're using Windows, just like me, click on Windows 86. Next, here you will see form like this, so fill all of your information here. Once you fill all of your information here, just click on register and download. After a few seconds you will see that DaVinci Resolve started downloading automatically. If your download does not start automatically, you can just click on this one and then your downloading will start too. Once the downloading is done, just close the browser, open the file location where you have downloaded that file. It would be here in the download folder. In my case, this is the file, so hit right click here, then you'll see the option extract all, so click on that and just click on extract. Now open the extracted file. So this is the setup file of DaVinci Resolve, so we have to double click on that. Next you will see window like this, but first let me minimize this. Okay, so if you see window like this, here you just need to untick this first two boxes unless and until you have their control panels and draw up layer. We just want to install DaVinci Resolve, so that's why we'll just keep this tick as it is on DaVinci Resolve and just click on install. Accept the terms and conditions, click on next again. Now this is the location where they're gonna install DaVinci Resolve. If you want to change this, just click on change. I'll leave it on default. Just click on next again, click on install. After a few minutes the installation is done, so let's click on finish, click on OK. And yeah, just right here you can see that DaVinci Resolve is successfully installed on our computer. Here on this window you can click on continue, click on start, and yeah, at this point you're good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.